In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your tax settings in the Fresha dashboard. Understanding and setting up your tax preferences correctly is essential, as it ensures that your pricing is aligned with your business needs and local regulations. Join me as we walk through the process of setting this up seamlessly. First, let's log into your Fresha dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can manage all your business operations from one coherent place. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll notice a gear icon. Clicking this icon will take you straight to the settings, which is where we need to be to make any business adjustments. Once you're in the settings menu, your next step is to look for Business Setup. This section is designed to ensure all your business information is organized and up to date. By clicking on Business Setup, you're on your way to customizing your business environment to better suit your needs. You'll now find yourself at the Business Information page. On this page, you'll notice a section labeled Business Info. Right next to this, there's an Edit button. Go ahead and click that Edit button to reveal more options that you can tweak according to your preferences. Now focus on the tax calculation area. This is where you can set your tax preferences. You have two primary options here. You can choose for your retail prices to include tax, or you can choose for them to exclude tax. The option you select totally depends on how you want to present prices to your clients and how taxation is handled in your locality. Including tax in your retail prices means that what your clients see is what they pay, simplifying their buying experience because the tax is already integrated into the price. Alternatively, choosing to exclude tax from retail prices means the tax will be added during the checkout process. It's crucial to consider the pricing strategy and legal requirements of your area when making this choice. After making your decision, there's one last but crucial step. You need to save all these adjustments to ensure everything is accurately updated in your system. Look towards the top of your screen and click Save. This action ensures that your settings are locked in and live. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your tax settings in the Fresha dashboard. Remember, setting up these preferences correctly will not only enhance your business operations, but also provide clarity for your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful in getting your business running smoothly. Feel free to revisit this video whenever needed, and don't hesitate to explore other features in your Fresha dashboard.